Most people think SpotMe is free money that anyone can unlock instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. You only qualify if you meet specific banking behavior inside the system. In this video, you will learn exactly how Chime SpotMe works in 2026, what the requirements are, and how to increase your chances of qualifying fast. Let's break it down in a simple way. SpotMe is a feature inside Chime that allows small overdrafts without fees. That means if you are short on cash, Chime can cover a small transaction, so your card does not decline. Now here's where it gets interesting. SpotMe is not automatically available to everyone. It is unlocked based on account activity and trust signals inside your Chime account. So what do you actually need to qualify? First, you need an active Chime checking account. That sounds simple, but inactivity is one of the biggest reasons people never unlock SpotMe. Second, you need regular direct deposits. Let's say someone like Alex gets paid every 2 weeks. Once his paycheck starts hitting his Chime account consistently, his eligibility increases over time. But here's the problem most users miss. It is not just about having deposits. It is about consistency and timing. If your deposits are random or too small, the system may not activate SpotMe. Now here's where it gets important. Chime evaluates account behavior, including how often you use your card, how stable your income looks, and how long your account has been active. So even if you qualify, SpotMe limits are not the same for everyone. Some users start with a small limit and gradually increase it. In a minute, I will show you the fastest way to improve your eligibility. Use your Chime card regularly for small purchases like gas or groceries. This shows active usage. Also avoid negative balances in early stages because stability matters. Users like John often see faster approval when they keep consistent deposits and avoid long gaps between account activity. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize. SpotMe is not a loan approval system. It is a behavior-based trust system. That means your financial habits matter more than any application button. So here's the bottom line. To qualify for SpotMe in 2026, you need an active account, consistent direct deposits, and steady usage patterns. There is no instant trick, but there is a clear path. If you are not qualified yet, do not worry. Most users unlock it within a few weeks of consistent activity. If this helped you understand SpotMe clearly, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple banking breakdowns in 2026.